Hello guys, welcome again to my daily dose of video review. In this episode, I'm going to simplify what Ferrum network is. Ferrum network main task is to ensure the interconnection of all issued coins with each other. To carry out this function in the best way, offering the fastest translation as well as minimal fees, the project itself has its own decentralized basis, designed specifically for the task and solution of the platform. Well, all exchange processes between all cryptocurrencies existing around the world will take place. So if we talk about the Ferrum network project in simple words, it offers us high frequency and risk-free cryptocurrency trading, supported by friendly environment of Ferrum blockchain as well as the built-in AI assistant. As we have already understood, Ferrum network will be a kind of exchange in which users will be able to quick manage their assets by buying and selling some coin to others, no matter on what blockchain they are created. All Ferrum payment gateways are designed to provide the highest speed and the lowest possible cost, which in turn will lead to more highly efficient centralized exchange throughout the cryptographic world. As a conclusion, of course, in order to appreciate all the advantages of the Ferrum network, it is necessary to get acquainted with it personally in practice. Generally speaking, I think this concept is very interesting and technological because it contains all the necessary technological functions and tools needed in the daily life of millions of users of the blockchain market. My name is Azis, greeting from Bandung, Indonesia. I hope to see you again in my next video review. Thank you for watching and bye bye.